Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am teaching you chapter number 5, exercise 5.2 of 8th standard. Before doing this exercise, we have to see the formula. Okay, then this is the formula. This one down here is the formula. How this we get? While expanding this, we get this formula. Okay, that I am telling you. See, a plus b whole cube is opened in this way: a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. Keep one a plus b here and this 2a plus b will become like this. See, you will remember by seeing this is a formula we already read in your previous classes. That is, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Keep this a plus b here only, then open this and write the formula. This a will be multiplied to this and plus b will be multiplied to this. While doing multiplication, it will come like this. Okay, then in multiplying, the powers are added, so this will become a cube. In this, it will become 2a square b plus ab square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b square. Now take the like terms together and add. This is the like terms. Okay, now add this one we means 1 and this one we means 1. So it become 3a square b. This is a cube only. A cube is nothing, like term is there, so you keep it like this. And this is your become 1. So 3ab square a plus b cube. Now the formula. This is the main formula which you have to apply. So this is the explanation of how we got the formula. Now come to the exercise. This is exercise. First question is this k plus 4 whole cube. First we have to write a is equal to k, b is equal to 4. It will make you easy to put a and b in the formula. Now second thing is you have to write the formula, a plus b whole cube formula. Every time when you solve these questions, you have to write the formula first. Now expand the formula according to this: k cube plus 3k square 4 plus 3k4. Here k means dot means multiplying. 4 cube plus 4 square plus 4 cube. Here k cube means k cube as it is, and the number here you multiply, that is 3 4s are 12. Then k square you keep it like this. The number again you multiply, this becomes 16. 4 square, the number become like this, you multiply like this. You have to write this will become cube, so 64. 4, then it become k cube plus 12k square plus 3 and 16 should be multiplied. These are numbers. We will get 48k plus 64. Okay, now this is the answer. Whenever you do, formula is needed first, then step by step. If you do step by step, it will be easy for you to find the answer. There will be no mistake also, and the mark is also you get from the step. Okay, and clean. Now the second question, same way, 7x plus 8y. First you write the formula, then write a is equal to this and b is equal to this. Then according to formula, carefully you have to write slowly which one is square, which one is cube. Then write this slowly. See, it is very complicated, but it is very easy. If you write step by step, you will get the answer. 3 times you multiply, you will get 343 x cube, variable like this. Then this is 7 square 49, like this you have to write step by step. Don't do multiplication here only. Open and keep, and in other step you do multiplication. Then this here you can do 21x. Then this open and keep it like this. This is there 8 multiplied by 3. So now next step, here it is alone, so 343 cube like this. Then this all you will do 3 into 49 into 8, you will get this 1176 x square y. Then here multiply 21 into 64, you will get 1344 x and y square. Then here you already did in this, you will get this. Okay, next one is same. This is easy. I am showing you only. See, it is very easy. Now the next one, this is a number. This you already did. A plus b, you remember, whole square. 100 plus 1, 50 plus 2. Same way you have to write 50 plus 2. Break it. This is called breaking it. Now it becomes according to the formula. Only the thing is variable is not there, only numbers are there. So put according to these numbers. A is 50 and b is 2. in the place of A you put 50 and in the place of B you put 2, and this you have to like this. So 50 you multiply 3 times, you will get 1,25,000. 50 multiply 2 times, you will this. Step by step do, and here you are doing this. Okay, so you will get this. Okay, now this number, whole number you are getting, so you plus this number, you will get the answer in 1,40,608. no variable is there, so there is no need to panic. How will we do? Just according to the formula only you have to put the numbers and do. Now next one, same way, this is also the next one. So in this 101 plus 100 plus 1, that is, it become like this. Same way you have to do. In this value multiplying, see the 0, how many 0 you have to put. So like this you do, step by step, you will get the answer. Okay, the next one, in this it is now the fraction is there, x plus 1 by x. No need to panic, just put a is equal to x, then it is in the fraction form. Same formula, this you put like this same formula. Okay, in this fraction you have to be deducting, that is cutting, that is your numerator and denominator, because this will become as a division, this will become like a this. So this will become division. In division, powers are, if it is power like this, it is minus. Okay, deduction is done, so you cut it, so it will become division type. So you can cross multiply this, cross cutting. So here cross cutting, cut x, 1x you cut, here 2 is there x, so 1x will be left. Okay, here first to solve like this, you will get like this. Here numerator 1 is a 1 and denominator is become x square, x cube, x cube. Here you cut, cross cutting, 1x here 1x, then you will get only 1x, here it is gone. So like this you will get, then this. Okay, same way here, first you write the formula according to that, then here first you do the squaring, this is cube, this is squaring you done, step by step you do. Okay, this will become like this and this will become like this. Okay, now the 8th question, your fraction. Okay, same way you write, it's a very lengthy long, so it will take 2 lines, but you should be carefully write. Here this, here little cutting is needed, x with a y, you can cut y here, 1 y is left here, 5 on the 5 5 the 25, 5 will be left, x, this x will be cut here. Okay, because this is a multiplication, so you can do cross multiply and like this also. In here also I did the multiplication in this way. Okay, in this way only, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 15, x here, x here, here x, 1 x is left here, here 1 y is left here. After doing this, this is a 3, this is 3 multiply 15, that means this will get, dot means multiply, 75xy, this is why like this. Okay, this same way. So I hope you might have understood. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I will explain you each and every step. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Bye.